Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum and good morning. Welcome back to the Facebook live class on Communicative English practical session. How are you, dear students? Hope you are all right. I'm fine too. What about you? I think you are in a healthy environment because no flood, no other natural calamities, but only Corona. So keep safe distancing and wear masks. Wash your hands. Anyway, can you hear me please? I think it's all right. If not, if you don't listen to me, please let me know. Okay? Dropping comments on the comments box. Okay, dear students, back to the lesson. Last two classes, I have discussed about the basics of vocabulary and their uses in the dictionary. Dear students, from the bygone classes, the previous classes, we have learned the use of ICT in terms of learning a language. Now, it's time to apply it, continuing conversation with the foreigners, right? Are you ready to interact the foreigners right now? Okay, you may ask me how. So let's have a look at the screen and see what happens to the lecture 7. Alright, you are watching the first slide. You see communicative English for all technology, and the subject code is 6572. This is the practical session, practical part of communicative English. And the aims or the objectives of practical session is to uh, make you able to develop, communicate the areas that learners encounter in real life situations, reinforce the basic skills of listening and speaking, integrate ICT as tools in learning language. Okay, dear students, actually, if I elaborate it in Bangla, the first aim is that is to make you able that you can encounter real life situations. I mean the workplace situations. If you have to uh, encounter or if you have to experience a foreigner in your workplace, how you can do it. Okay, without any stress. And then in this part, we emphasize on the skills of listening and speaking. And ultimately, this learning process will happen integrating ICT, information and communication, using information and communication tools. Okay, so let's see what happens next. All right, lecture 7. In today's lesson, we will focus on the today's topic is how to communicate with English speaking people online. Okay, it's not possible right now to bring a foreigner to interact in communication. So, here is the only way or the alternative way to uh, bring you to the virtual platform to communicate with the foreigners or the native speakers. Okay, all right, and then ultimately you have to learn some new vocabularies to carry on conversation with the foreigners. So we have to learn some new vocabularies or phrases related to English conversation lessons online. Okay, and in every lecture I used to give you or to suggest you to uh, keep practice on writing skills. That is, today's topic is how to improve English speaking skills. You have to write a composition on the following points. That is, how to improve English speaking skills. Okay. And usually, I used to suggest you to carry on conversation with your friends every lesson online. So you can carry on your conversation or you can carry on your discussion about the topic, that is how to meet new people who want to learn English online. Okay, dear students, don't forget to use headphones while going to listen to me. Okay, as I mentioned, that how we can get connected with the foreigner to go for practicing conversation. So let's see how it happens step by step to connect a foreigner. How you can get connected with a foreigner. Okay, there are lots of platforms, online platforms. You can choose any one of them. But here I suggest you a particular platform that is very easy for you to get connected or to do your works, or you can practice conversation with the people, because uh, around the day and night people stay there all over the world, so you can choose any one of them. So first, you see, first you learn how you can get connected with the people online, right? First, you just open your PC. You just open your laptop or computer desktop, whatever it may be, or your mobile phone. It may you can do it using both the device or uh, each device. I mean, you can use your Android mobile phone or laptop or PC. So first you open your PC and you go for browsing internet, and in the browsing section you just write the URL, that is web address is mentioned here, www.speaking24.com. Okay, all right, dear students, if you are ready to get connected with this website, you can write on the browser options the following address, and you can mm, experience the situations over there, right? And then start browsing the specific website mentioned below. I mean, I'm talking about www.speaking24.com. And then follow the instructions given there. Of course, you have to get registered, or the instructions given there, of course, you have to follow it. And then maintain house rules. Okay, this is very maybe new thing to you, as because during the period of COVID, uh, we have we learned some new things to know, that is called house rules. Okay, because we have not practiced ever before, so you have to, of course, you have to maintain house rules. I will talk about the house rules later. Okay, what about this? And then simply when you are connected, you can start conversation. Okay, and I will let you say in the later slide how it may happens. Okay. Okay, all right, dear students. This is the snapshot of the websites, as I mentioned earlier. That is, just have a look and try to understand the template given here. You are watching the title, that is communicate with English speaking people online, and you see some flags are here. I mean, you can easily understand that most of the people from these countries are practicing uh, English, practicing conversation with or collecting partners from these countries, mostly from these countries. Okay, so this is the website address, and it is free. You need not to pay any money. Okay, this is a free English conversation lessons online. And simply you can share this website address or this screen with your, what should I say, Facebook account, right? So let's say what you have to fill in. First, you just choose your nickname. You did not write your full name. Okay, simply my name is Jahid. Simply I can write here Jahid. Okay, and the is mentioned. If you put the cursor here and click, ultimately the age bar will come out from this button, from this box, and uh, you can just click your age. Okay, and then the level of your understanding or the level of your or the basics of your language learning. Are you a startup or the beginners or the intermediate or the pre-intermediate or the advanced level? You can click. First you have to count your level, and so on. The other partner from other countries can guess your level, so you can and then you can choose your partner considering this. And of course this is mandatory to write your Skype address. I mean, the tools you have to use to get connected with the partner. Or you may have another options also, you see. So I think that Skype is mostly used uh, by the people who wants to practice speaking. Okay, and it is easier and simple. Okay, and then topics you want to talk about, show height. You can mention the topics on what you want to carry on your conversations, or you want to talk with your partner. So you can show it or you can hide it. Okay, if you want to show it, just click here. And then remember me on this computer. If you want that your computer should remember your name, your details, then of course you just take it. Okay, and then please choose your nickname and enter some extra information uh, about the template that is suggested for you to fill up. Okay, and if you for doing it, if you need any help, you just go here and you can click, right? If you click here, they will help you how to get connected or what to do uh, for going the next step. Okay, all right. We are in the page, and you can simply watching that some people are here from different countries. You know, here you see Rosti. Mm, she is from Ukraine. Her age is 32, and she is interested to talk about some topics that is mentioned here. I mean, job interview, working in UK, working in USA, my school, my family, my pets, my hobby, my country, music, music, movies, games, books, TV, magazines, travel, health, medicine, beauty, diets, fitness, shopping, clothing, gadgets, mobiles, computers, new websites, politics, sports, culture, celebrities, economy, and my work. Okay, these are the topics she is interested to talk with his or her partners. Okay, and here you see the connecting tools or the media of tools is used by Rosti. Exactly, she is from Ukraine. Yeah, this flag mentioned that this person is representing or belongs to the citizen of Ukraine. So she is using Skype as the media of communication. Skype as a tools as the media of communication, right? And he mentioned one thing that is very, 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 very important. If you go there, of course, you have to mention it. Otherwise, everybody is there to practice speaking. They are not. They have not subscribed here for nothing or to do anything nuisance. So these people, as I mentioned, that before get registered with these websites, of course, we have to learn some house rules. I will talk about the house rules in my next class, okay? Because it takes time. So, of course, you have to mention why you are there. Okay, what is the purpose of your visit or to subscribe with these very websites? Okay, so ultimately she mentioned that I want to meet people who want to learn English with me. Okay, and then another person is seen here, that is Ahmed. He is from India. So, for I guess the flag represents that he is from India. And you see, his purpose of coming here is different from the first one. Okay. You see, I just want to chat in English for a while to improve my speaking skills. Actually, why I have chosen these websites, as I mentioned in my earlier lessons, that it will help you a lot if you speak with the foreigners, because it will feel forced to speak English, okay, or speak the particular language because there is no other option. Say the person who is here from Ukraine, he knows not Bengali, and you, if you are here, you don't know the language that belongs to Ukraine people. So you will have no more options, no other options, only the unique language you have to use, that is English. So it may have some mistakes, but you will have no more options to speak in your native language. So it will make you, or it will make you feel urgently to speak in the same unique language. I mean, that is English. And you see, here is one person found. who belongs to the country that is Bangladesh, you see, because the flag exposes or flag uh, says that he is from Bangladesh. So some Bangladeshi people are there who are visiting here to practice speaking in English. Okay, his purpose of coming here is to that he said that I want to meet people who want to learn English with me. Okay, and then Ria, another person who is from India, he also intends to talk about the points, talk about the topic that is, she wants to meet people who want to learn English with her. Okay, I think that you could easily understand how you can get connected with the foreigners, and even not only that, you can get connected with the foreign native teachers. I mean, teachers from UK, USA, Australia, and New Zealand. These are the countries English is their native language. So if you wish to talk with them, or if you wish to get lesson from the native teachers, you can. It's possible to get connected with these people here. Okay. So let's see what happens. Okay. We are here in another page. Uh, Actually, we are doing some practical in terms of learning language. This is that is the reason why we have to do hands-on training or hands-on practice, যেটাকে বলি আমরা বাংলায় যে হাতে কলমে শেখা। তো তোমরা যদি উম, তোমাদের হাতে যদি অ্যান্ড্রয়েড ফোন থাকে কিংবা ল্যাপটপ থাকে কিংবা ডেস্কটপ থাকে, and if you are watching me, of course you are connected, you are using internet. So regarding this, you can practice right now with me. Okay, here you see the underlined person is nobody else, but it is me. This is Jahid. Okay, you say, and I am representing Bangladesh, right? And then you see the purpose of coming here is that I just want to chat in English for a while to improve my speaking English. Actually, speaking skills practice is nothing. You may know a lot of, or you may have a lot of knowledge about English, but you may not be fluent in speaking. Okay, if you don't go for practicing every day, right? So these options will, or this website will help you to speak English every day, and I can assure you that if you practice 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes every day, that within 2 or 3 months you must be fluent in speaking. Okay, where uh, here you need not to have much more degrees on English. Okay, so it's very easy and simple, and you can carry on practicing, right? And then you see Ryan, uh, what country he is from? Australia, you see. And then Alex, exactly, I'm not sure about the country. And then Muta is from Saudi Arabia, and as I mentioned, that Rosti is from Ukraine. So you can easily understand that there are many people, there are many person here from different countries, and they are willing to carry on conversation, and they are very much not willing. I should replace the word. I think that they are crazy to speak English with the foreign people because it helps the learners to become fluent in speaking. Okay, and the topic mentioned here, you need not to be worried about this. that is what we'll talk about this topic, because you may not have the current information about this topic. But don't worry, in my next class, I will let you see how you can prepare from here. Clues are here, given here, and instantly you can learn about this topic. Okay, so in the next class, I will let you learn how you can achieve knowledge about this topic instantly, and you can carry on conversation with your partners, right? So go for the next slide. Okay, here is another options from the same websites. That is, if you think that your speaking is not going well, you are not confident in speaking, and you are scared to speak with a foreigner. If you visit this template, here you will see, if you would like to get some tips on how to improve your English speaking skills, click here. I mean, যদি তোমরা মনে করো যে তোমাদের ইংরেজি তে বলতে কথা বলতে তোমাদের বেশ কিছু ঘাটতি আছে, যেমন ধরো আহ, কিভাবে বলতে হবে, কোন কোন বিষয়ে বলতে হবে, কিভাবে কনফিডেন্ট হওয়া যাবে, সেই সব বিষয়ে তুমি যদি এখানে ক্লিক করো, ইফ ইউ ক্লিক হিয়ার, দেন আলটিমেটলি ইউ উইল গেট আ লট অফ tips here, and you can get learn. And then you see, mm, vocabulary learning. Of course, without knowing or without having used vocabulary or use stock of vocabulary, it would be a little bit difficult for you to continue conversation with a foreigner. So you can simply write your email address here and then subscribe. And if you do it every day, they will give you one new word to learn with details, right? So I think that in terms of learning new vocabulary, you can do it, and it will help you a lot to have more vocabularies, to learn more vocabulary. So it's another option. Okay, all right. Suppose that you don't want to, first time, you don't want to feel confident that you are supposed to speak with a foreigner. Then, regarding this, you want to carry on text chat. Okay, or you want to be more friendly with the person you want to talk about in future. And regarding this, you can go or you can visit this template, and if you visit there, it will help you to go for chatting, text chatting. So first, you can, if you want to intimate or you want to be intimate with your partners, first you can, I suggest you to go here first, and then write some text or chat. You just go for text chatting, and after some days, when you are becoming intimate, I mean, you are becoming intimate with your partners, then you can propose him or her to carry on conversation face to face. Okay, I think that it would be convenient for you. And then, suppose you have learned a lot of vocabularies, or you don't know the level of learning your vocabulary, how much vocabularies, or you don't know the standard, or you don't know the area of learning your vocabulary. So I think that if you visit here, you can test the level of your vocabulary or word stock. Okay, so simply, you see, regular learning is crucial when you want to improve your English skills. আসলে মাঝে মধ্যেই আমাদের এটা একটা প্রবলেম হয়ে দাঁড়ায় যে প্রতিদিন আমরা এই কোনো কোনো দিন আমাদের মিস হতে পারে, বা ডিউ টু সাম আর্জেন্ট activities, we may not visit these websites or to practice English. So regarding this, you can go for checking your vocabulary level once in a week. So to check if your learning is effective, we suggest you to take your weekly test. এখন তুমি যদি মনে করো যে এটা তোমার জন্য এফেক্টিভ হচ্ছে, এই প্র্যাকটিস গুলো তোমাদের জন্য এফেক্টিভ হচ্ছে, বা এই ওয়েবসাইটে ভিজিট করাটা তোমাদের জন্য ফ্রুটফুল হচ্ছে, সো সেক্ষেত্রে তোমরা সপ্তাহে অন্তত একদিন তোমাদের ভোকাবুলারি টেস্টটা করতে পারো, যে জাস্ট টু হ্যাভ এ চেক of the level you have reached. Okay, then test consists of questions connected with words that are commonly used in English. ওখানে দেখা যাবে যে আসলে প্রতিদিন অর্থাৎ ডেইলি আমরা বিভিন্ন সিচুয়েশনে যে ইংরেজিগুলো ব্যবহার করি আসলে সেই ইংরেজিগুলো নিয়েই কিন্তু ওই টেস্টটা হবে, এবং ইউ ক্যান শেয়ার উইথ ইউর ফেসবুক। ওকে, that's very fine, that's very easy. And then here is the sample of vocabulary test. You see, choose the correct word according to the definition below. Simply, you see unhappiness. How you can convert this synonymous word? You can choose it from these options. Okay, unhappiness, right? So the first option is feedback to tackle sorrow, financial statement, rent. So you can easily understand that first one is not, second one is not, fourth one is not, and the last one is not. So it would be the similar to sorrow. So third one is the right matching of these words. Okay, all right. And then remember that if you don't use newly learned English words in English conversation or writing, you will forget it in a short time. So the best thing you can do to learn new words effectively is just trying to use it in speaking or writing. If I summarize this statement, I used to say, that is, of course, if you want to be fluent in speaking, of course, you have to go for speaking every day, or you have to go for practice speaking every day. Otherwise, it would be difficult for you to become fluent in speaking English. Okay, so let's see what happens. Time is getting up. Anyway, we usually suffer from just from some panic, okay, such as whether my pronunciation is right or wrong, or like the native speaker, or my sentence is not up to the mark, okay, blah blah blah, right? So you need not to be worried, okay. In the last two lectures, I have let you shown that how you can learn to pronounce the English words correctly, or how you can practice of your own. Okay, so I have given you the tips how you can learn or pronounce or the accent of the vocabulary like American and British. I don't want to elaborate here because in the last class I explained it. Okay, so go for the next. Okay, this is another option of pronouncing or accenting the words like native speakers. If you visit the websites, or if you click here, ultimately you will get the tips from the native speakers how their words in English can be pronounced or can be accented rightly. Okay, and then ultimately, we used to collect some new vocabularies, learn from each and every lesson. So, if you learn new vocabularies, you just write it down here and try to understand and try to use it both in speaking and writing task. Okay. As I mentioned earlier, that every lesson I used to give you tips on discussion, group discussion online with your friends. So today here the topic is given how to meet new people who want to learn English online. অর্থাৎ এই টপিকটার উপরে তোমরা তোমাদের বন্ধুদের সাথে নেটে চ্যাট করতে পারো, কথা বলতে পারো, আইডিয়া শেয়ার করতে পারো. You can do whatever you like. Okay, and ultimately this is the homework for you. That is how to improve English speaking skills. Ultimately, I have shown you that here is a template given in my previous uh, slides, and you can visit there and you can learn some new tips how to improve speaking skills. Okay. Um, and then, if you want to enjoy this class once more, of course, you have to keep watching and get connected with www.skills.gov.bd or www.onlinetibet.com. Okay. All right. Thank you very much for staying with me last few minutes. So thank you so much. Hope to see you, and until then, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.